The ocean's the biggest damn snowflake ever. It rolls and swells 1,000 shapes and colors, no two alike. Sounds like an animal, don't it? One night years ago, I was here alone when all the fish of the sea surfaced out there. Something made them swim in and lie in the bay, sort of trembling and staring up at the tower lights so I could see their funny eyes. Maybe in some sort of way they came all those miles to worship. Strange. But think how the tower must look to them, standing 70 feet high above the water. The god light flashing out there, and the tower declaring itself with the monster voice. They never came back, those fish. But you think for a while, they thought they were in the presence. One day, many years ago, a man walked along and stood in the sound of the ocean on a cold, sunless shore and said, "We need a voice to call across the water to warn ships. I'll make one. I'll make a voice. Like a big lonely animal crying in the night, sitting here on the edge of 10 million years, calling out to the deeps. I'm here. I'm here." I made up that story to try to explain why this thing keeps coming back. The foghorn comes and goes, and you stir from the muddy bottom of the deeps. But that foghorn comes through 1,000 miles of water, faint and familiar, and the furnace in your belly stokes up, and you rise. Last year that creature swam around and around and around, all night, not coming near, puzzled, afraid maybe. Millions of years it's wandered the sea alone, waiting for a call that would never come. That's life. Someone always waiting for someone who never comes home. Always loving something more than that thing loves you. Yes, it's an old world, a lonely world. Wow.